Kalabubo.
Hi guys! Good morning. So, nasa Alvin na ako. Parating ako kanina around 7:30ish. So, ngayon, upo lang ako sa tapat ng CDC, ng college ko. And, just waiting na magbukas yung office ng dorm ko. Then, I'm going sa dorm para magpasa ng contract for the new acad year. And then, after that, tatambay lang ako around campus. I might meet up with some friends, pero if not, I'll just wait kasi may plan ako ng dinner mamayang gabi. So, yeah. I just finished the dorm and it started raining. So, now, is papunta ko ngayon library. And, yeah. Doon muna ako tatambay for a while since habang naulan. And then, I might eat lunch later.
Thank you nga pala ko. Thank you Kalabubo. Thank you ito sa
Hi! So, lumipat na ako and like, galing ako kanina OUR. Chinek ko if like mapagpa-replace ng ID kasi nawala yung ID ko guys. Nalaglag ko siya last sem sa Freedom Park. So, hindi na siya nabalik. And ngayon, sabi nila is, di pa daw open applications ngayong mid-year. So, first time pa ako makakapag-request ng ID. So, ngayon, ito na tamad ang bumalik ng live. Nakaupo ako sa O-Park. And, napanood ko ngayon yung mga graduates. So, congrats sa Sablay 2026. And, wala lang, na-inspire ako. Like, guys, balang araw, babalikan ko to. Pag ako naman yung sasablay. Yes! Nasablay din ako. Hopefully on time. Pero even if hindi, it's fine. Mahalaga makatapos. Ang buhay ay di karera. Pero anyway, so, ngayon, I'm just gonna, actually, I don't know. Tambay lang ako kung saan ko trip until yung dinner namin. So, I guess I'll see you guys later. Hi! So, currently, is nasa main live ako sa Alfresco. But like, I have to go na kasi around 6:30 makikipag-meet na ako mga kasama ko. So, yeah, let's go. Okay.
Sino ba yan?
Hey guys, I'll take over na from here. So, this is the resort kung saan kami nagstay. And yan yung clip before kami umalis. Kasi we decided na to go back to campus. And I stayed muna sa main live while waiting for biyahe namin pa uwi. Kasi nga, Quezon Province, yung train is 5 p.m. pa yung schedule. So, ayan ako sa main live. And meron silang parang ano sa entrance ng for Pride Month. And then, ayan, naglakad-lakad na ako nung papunta na ako station. And to be honest, guys, I'm still struggling to talk in public. So, bear with me. We'll get there. I'll try my best to put myself out there and be more comfortable talking with the camera and in front of people. Where there's me. Hi! This vlog is really special to me kasi it really made me realize just how far I've come in just a year. Like imagine from the first time I stepped into this university to now, I've built a community of people who is always there for me and I feel so loved to be honest. And sobrang na-inspired din ako ng peers ko around me, especially ng mga orgmates kong gagraduate na. Na-inspire nila akong sumablay din and balang araw ako naman yung mapupunta sa position nila and hopefully ma-inspire ko din yung iba to dream bigger and work harder for their dreams. So, ayun na yung train, dumating na siya, and pauwi na akong Quezon Province. So, to be honest guys, sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga mag-commute mag-isa. I don't know what it is, pero therapeutic siya for me. Like, it's so peaceful na I get to be alone with my own thoughts. I don't know if that's just me. Pero thank you so much guys for watching. That's all for this video. And I do hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!